Hi everyone. So today we are going to finish review for the coding unit. And yesterday we did numbers 1 through 7 in the review packet. So we're going to pick up with number 8. If you did not get the notes for numbers 1 through 7, I highly suggest going back and watching the lesson video from yesterday so that you have it to use on your test later this week. So in number 8, this says write a function called purple star that takes in a size as the input and always creates a solid purple star using the given number as the size. So my function name is purple star, and it takes in a size. So think a size is a number, so that's going to be the domain. And this always creates a solid purple star of the given size. So that is an image. Okay. And then our purpose here, it creates a solid purple star of a given size. All right. So our examples, we start with our name, purple star, and then we need to pick a size. So that number can be whatever we want. So maybe we do 30. And then what this function is actually going to do is create a star of that size, whatever you picked, that is solid and purple. Okay, remember solid and purple are strings, so they need quotation marks. So my second example is going to be the exact same thing, except we are going to change the number. It's not going to be 30 anymore. It's going to be something else. Okay, so this is the same star, whatever number you chose, solid, purple. So if we think about what's different here, that's these two numbers. And these two numbers represent the size of the star. Okay, so my definition is going to be purple star. Why is this doing this? Do purple star, and we gave it a label of size. And then we have star, size, solid, purple. Okay. All right, so this was a function called purple star, takes in a size and creates a solid purple star using that given number. All right, number 9, in the design recipe below. So here's our design recipe. Letter A says, what does COND stand for? And that is our conditional. This happens if something else happens. I don't understand. This program is not working today. Condition. Oh, okay. How many clauses are shown? So if we look at our conditions here, we have less than age 16, between 16 and 18, greater than 18. So there's 3 different things there. So there are 3 clauses. So we are going to write a function called driving age that takes in a person's age and returns a phrase describing the person's driving privileges based on their age. So there's 3 conditions, okay? But our function name is called driving age. All right, we're just gonna restart this whole thing. Pen, driving age. Takes in a person's age, so that's a number. And it returns a phrase, so that would be a string. Anytime I get a word, that's going to be a string. So determines driving privileges based on age. Okay. The three examples below should each demonstrate the use of one of the conditions. So since we have three conditions, we need an example for each one. So this one says less than 16, between 16 and 18, greater than 18. So my example, the first one, driving age. My number needs to be less than 16. So let's say 14. Okay, and if that happens, we would get the phrase cannot drive. That's right from above. Okay, my second one has to be between 16 and 18. So that would be driving age between 16 and 18 is 17. And that would say restricted driving. And then our third example is greater than 18. So driving age, and I want bigger than 18. Maybe we pick 21. And that's going to say no driving restrictions. All right. So we are defining driving age. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. Bear with me on this. This program doesn't seem to be liking us today. So driving age based on the age of a person. Okay, and our conditionals, the first one is if your age is less than 16. So we have less than age 16. And that would be cannot drive. The second one is if the age is greater than 16 and less than 18. So and greater than age 16, less than age 18. And that would be restricted driving. Okay. And then the third one is if we are greater than 18. So age greater than 18. And that's going to say no driving restrictions. All right. So that is all for review for Unit 2. Make sure you have everything from today and the day before in your review packet so that you have this to use on your Unit 2 test. And if anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.